your platform, your practices, your roadmap.
Your teams should not be slowed down by infrastructure. Red Hat AI Platform Foundation is a guided, hands-on engagement designed to help your organization build a strong foundation for AI success. We work side by side with your operations teams, developers, and data scientists to stand up an enterprise-grade platform built with GitOps best practices for resilience, security, and control. You'll adopt industry-leading tools and processes quickly with a platform tailored to your purpose and context. Freed from operational complexity, your teams can focus on turning AI investments into real-world results.
What can you expect?
Rapidly deploy and adopt Red Hat AI Platform while advancing your AI practices too. Determine your future roadmap of skills and capabilities. Upskill your ML platform team and data scientists. Increase your team core's MLOps competency so that you now can implement new AI capabilities with confidence.